So hey guys, it's been a long time that I tried mukbang. So I went to 7-Eleven, then I went to school. I went to school, but I go to the nearest place it's next to my school. And I bought a cup. I think my dad already butter. But I never tried this. Oh, wait a minute. Let me try this. I never tried this Red Bull. Oh, fuck. I said fuck. It's awesome. And it's yummy. Oh. No more. So get ready with me. So, okay, this is what I'm eating. Yang mukbanging ako. Ano lang? Mukbang.
Ah, yun pala sabi magkain ko. Kain ka kanin, be?
Mamaya na.
Ha?
Mamaya na.
Maya na.
I got squished on the way home, so... So, let's take a bite.
Ngayon may nangyari. Lahat ng responsibilidad ay itutulak mo sa akin. Tama ba? Kung hindi mo kami inutusan na gawin ito, sasama ba kami sa'yo? Para saktan ang asawa ni Mr. Lee. Dumating na si Mr. Lee.
It's like melting in my tongue. So thank you guys for being with me. I'm going to drink this later because I want to save this. So bye.